also good afternoon teachers. I feel very much privileged to be with you on this National Education Day, and I feel very much proud enough to be on stage to teach something just in a chunk of time, not more than 5 minutes as it is our respected SAR's lunch time. No, I will certainly consider it. No, if at all you are interested, please go and visit Chandrakadem. On that I specially released a bulletin on education. You please go and watch. I told a poem on Subhashitalu, and also from you go and watch. We are running short of time now. I have to rush and run now. Okay, see, daughter is not a tension. Daughter is equal to 10 sons. As my father believed it, I am proud to wear his blazer on this movement because it is 26 years old and I am 25 years old. Hope you understood. It's my wedding blazer of my father, and also this Parker pen, the pen Denver, what we call scent of success. Parker, sign of success. It's not their ad, it's my ad. What you will tell whenever, what is success? When our sign becomes autograph is success. And those days have gone away. Now people are telling what they are telling. They will take selfies, all that. No, okay, leave it, whatever it is. What is today's specialty? As I told you. Yes, Anna. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad's birthday. He is first education minister. No, okay. That what in Satanpalli, that GK sir, very favorite sir, Hussain sir, what he told you know, 11. We stand on our two legs, no? We stand on education. If we educate, we stand like that. You remember he told one cheat code. You also remember as you are going to write further exams, it might help, no? Okay. I may not be new to the class, but I must bring something new to the class every day. Hope you are understanding my language. If not, please raise. I will repeat. No, I am not new to class as we are since from 12 days we are friends. No, but I must bring something new to the class, and I brought a piece of paper, tiny piece of paper, which would make these 5 minutes too busy. Let's see. On my Facebook wall, I posted one video. One teacher used to be there. Probably she might from Tamil Nadu, I think so. As she wore that attabout, what she did, she arranged the plants in a circle, and on her birthday, she gave a chocolate and a plant to the kids. What does it mean? She's something on her occasion. She celebrated in that specific manner. I wondered and I appreciated, so that I pasted on my wall. Poorna sir also told, hope you remember so, on the change birthday you give a plant. Don't spend money, you give whatever you have, aloe vera, hibiscus stem, that you give what we call, you give that's enough for the upcoming greenery world, that's enough. Okay? Aloe vera, okay. Already if it can give 10,000 more trees. If it's left like that within 6 years, if it is left like this, our earth would be green forever. We studied in DS, that point I am reminding you. Okay? 5 minutes over this, please tell now.
Only 4 minutes.
Okay. Let's aspire to inspire before we expire. Hope you understood the line. If not, please watch Chandrakadem. I asked my HM sir what, sir, I need to draw an Indian map in our school garden. Please give me permission, so that each state, each color I would plant those table roses, and India would grow like anything, greenery, full, we can make it. No sir, I asked with his permission we have to do, no, that's why I respected him, and also he too respected, you can do. On coming December 15th, you can start your gardening work, he told. But fortunate or unfortunate, I am deputed to Sanjeev Nagar school. Who are from Sanjeev Nagar school, please raise your hands. I am going to be your colleague in high school so far, 6th to 7th science and also 8th class physics. Okay. And also, I wish to teach from December 15th Those who are studying 5th, entry into 6th. Those who are studying 8th, entry into 9th. I am going to teach on my YouTube channel Chendu Kadayam. Those who are really interested, candidates having burning desire, although they are poor, although they are uneducated, although they are backward in studies, although they are from village background, doesn't matter. You please suggest my channel and I am there to educate them. That's what my motto, and also the channel, the motto of my channel and the motto of our lives are those. We feel very much privileged and gratitude if one student gets success in their life just because of me. I feel proud. I don't want money. Free of cost, I am announcing you. You please make use of this opportunity, and I also promised Suresh Anna's daughter to be in NVS. Sure, I am going to do it for Anna. Also, if you have kids, you can also send them to me, or you can make your smart gadgets as a medium of study. Okay? Hope you are understanding my language. Thank you. Okay? In our school, 5th class, 8 children are there. Suresh Anna's daughter, 9th one, and also another madam's son, 10th one. I thought at least 10 I can 100% I can succeed with them, I thought. But fortunate and unfortunate, I am moved to deputed to soon. No, that's why. Okay. Whatever it is, we బాల్యంలో వేసిన విత్తనాలు బ్రతుకంతా ఉంటాయి. So let's plant a good seed so that they might cultivate the beautiful garden in the society. If a teacher works wholeheartedly, there will be no work for the police. As I worked as a cop for an year, I noticed many things. This quote is from Madam Geeta Rani movie. You can check it on your YouTube. If a teacher works 100%, there will be no work for the police. There will be no crime in the society. Those, although irrespective of his background, irrespective of his crime, maybe crime, parents or whatever it is, if a teacher can inculcate the moral values, we can change the future of our coming generations, and let's be the architects of the beautiful nation we are dreaming for on this National Education Day. I welcome you to join hands, not these physical hands, those educational hands I want. If at all you are interested, please post on my Telegram a 5-minute video on any topic if you like. I will definitely post it on my YouTube introducing that these are my training colleagues, and those views, those monetary terms, if it is clicked, I definitely will give to you only. Those views, money, you know very well. I won't take even single MP of your sweat. I won't take. If at all you are interested, we can join our hands on this day. Mokai Mangani Manai Manguna, you can tell no. Those who are falling, or some might be attracted, those slum area kids no, might be attracted to the drug some other. If we are aware of them, if we able to cope up, we are like potters, you know, those mud, we can put it on the wheel, no, we can create a beautiful art pieces. Forever, for life we can create. Okay, as I promised, I will wind up in 5 minutes, but I couldn't. Are you enjoying my lecture, or if not, I will wind up this session. If at all you are enjoying, I will wind up. What is your opinion? Please tell me now. Ma'am or once show the class. You are enjoying. Thank you. As already Subhani Bhai yesterday, our very own respected Subhani Bhai, what he told, you know, I am visualizing your future. You will become RP. He told. I receive it wholeheartedly as his blessing. He is my brother now. I am receiving his blessing. Hope by coming next year, if I work with the same tempo, I may not be as SGD. I may be somewhere else better than this best in the best position. Hoping so. But I won't forget all of you as you are my friends. I feel sharing is caring. That made me stand here in front of you. And also, I never ever forget the steps I have crossed so far in my life. I never change my attitude. I will remain same till the last breath of my life. My wish also is to leave my breath to teach in the manner of teaching only like the greatest Sir Abdul Kalam did. I wish to be, if I am blessed by God, maybe I may leave my last breath by teaching when I am teaching. Might be happen. Okay. Whatever it is, leave it. With this quote, we will wind up our session on this National Education Day. I offer a tribute to the first educational minister on his birth anniversary. Every individual has the right to an education that will enable him to develop his faculties and live a full human life. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Thank you all of you. Thank you for listening to my lecture too patiently. Let's join our hands and create a better society, best society. Let's make our district proud of and let's make our teachers union. Let's make it might not be like unlike other unions, but I'll stay connected to all of you. I'm motivated by Sir, I think so, or inspired by me, I don't know. She told that she might do her PG in English. If at all you are also interested, I will be there with you, as I am preparing for APSET and UGC NET, and I attempted several attempts, but I failed to do so. Now Sir is with me. He gave me his material and he blessed me. So I might crack this time, so that we could create wonders in all the prestigious universities of AP and also in prestigious universities in India. Let's make India proud, and also let's make AP proud first. Let's make our school proud of us first. Let's make our district proud of us first. Then let's make our state proud of us. Then let's make India proud of us. Proud of born in AP, pride of India. Let's become such teachers. What I prepared, that man my would be gave me this Kadiyam, my surname, and also it's from Goina. So together we are with you. This shows together we are with you in this mission. He might also come and take some lectures if I encourage in future. Today is 11th. By next 11th I am going to get married. You please come and bless us. Either virtually or physically, whatever it is, it's up to you. I don't want costliest presents, or I don't want any gifts. You just come. Your physical presence is the most, or virtual presence is the most divine gift for me. I think so. And also I wore this for, as I create humor, with this smiley I wore here now. I teach in a humor way now. That's why I wore this one also on this great occasion. That's all. Stephen Leacock used to be there, no? One English writer. His writing is very funny. If we study, we will get laugh. That philosophy I follow. In order to reduce the boredom, in order to mesmerize you, all of you, in order not to leave my class, I will implement certain techniques, no? That I take from some books or some other teachers or some other faculty I have come across. So far I have studied under the able guidance, no? That's right. Yes. What is that? Today date, ma'am? Date November 11th is the National Education Day, and I am here to present a great seminar, I think so, to all the best teachers of district. As you got selected in the corporation, that too. I feel very much proud and privileged of all of you, and also 2 of us are from Rao's Academy, 3 of us are from Rao's Academy, and I am proud of it. Yes, although it is too small when compared to Avarigada, it created many miracles, and our faculty, all of our faculty cracked group 3, group 2, like that. And also we strongly believe, maybe if God permits, if my luck permits, and if my balance in personal and professional life permits, I may also crack one day, and I will definitely keep inspiring all the young aspirants of my extent who are in my circle. I definitely so stay connected on Facebook and also YouTube. Facebook is Kadiyam Reshmi Chandrika, and also YouTube is Chandu Kadiyam. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity and bearing me patiently. Thank you.